understanding that now that the Opotago the final battle of Opotaketa. Because the only Biafra working at Biafra government. And double that this lady that opposite our DPM, Ngozi Orabeze, terrorists. It means that automatically this case, our Prime Minister, that Ogosi is that true to refer that accuse is Yoku. So because what I'm begging this morning, like our sister, our brother, everybody, Bishop Ogolo, that we should really, the government should not take it lightly again, because it is a very simple thing, no problem. But I'm now calling everyone terrorists. We cannot take it lightly again with her. This guy, you know, like Gaketana or thank you, my brother, for that. By the time what put us IPO, the terrorist group, Biafrans, we want potential where if I brought the personal this law, general Biafrans can. So now people get wake up. Not only Biafran government, people should wake up, knowing fully well that this lady that was of the terrorists and the agenda will go away implicates our Prime Minister and not Potakwa. Or when you can manipulation, or that havoc. So it's hard time. All Biafra Gapota, we shouldn't allow everything to put in the hand of Biafra government. I know our government. You want to go deeper, just like our DPN Kulu, if we don't quick, then if this woman should come out to be calling us what as Biafrans true, go up with a lawyer, go up to nail this woman down. Let's do it, because every time woman and Biafran are eager to the promised land, the Nigerian government and all these politicians, they use really one person or the other to bring us down. We should have one thing in mind before I cut off. Ogenkele has nothing to offer. Nobody is looking towards Ogenkele. Every eye in United States of Biafra, and knowing fully well that this woman now, but this it is going to do a very great harm to us. Like that because this is a program, very, very educating. Thank you, my brother.
God bless you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thank you. So we see this is the reason why I decided to ask this question, so that we can exchange information to understand what it means. Because some of us actually take it for granted. It doesn't mean anything. After all, it's one person. She don't matter. She don't even speak English language. And you don't need to be showing kind your English, the way you speak English, for you to accept that what this person is saying is wrong. A lot of people have called. I think let me call back. Please just bear with me, because we want to touch on everything. Right, to understand what this means.
Chief of Commander-in-Chief of terrorists, work away tweet Kenya. I think they went for this one and I did shock. When yesterday
and well, good morning to you.
Good morning. It's me, Akachi, calling from Biafra.